Hi everyone, welcome to eSafeX, your trusted digital workspace. Now that your registration is complete, let's see how to log in and explore the feature of eSafeX. First, go to the home page and click on Login. Enter your registered email ID and password and click Login. Once you logged in, you will be taken to your main account page. Here, you can fill in your first name and your last name and phone number, view your registered email ID, and even change your password when needed. You'll also find security question that will help you recover your account in case you forgot your password. Next, you'll move to the Create Safe section. A safe is a secure digital space where you can store and share files. You can create multiple safes, each for a different client or purposes. Inside the safe one, there are three options: client notes, my notes, and files. Client notes are visible to your clients, while my notes are private and only visible to you. Under the file section, you can upload any document, add your client's email ID, and click submit to share it securely. Your client will receive a link to access the safe. You can create as many as saves you like and share them with your different clients easily. And if you ever want to update your details or change your password, just go to the profile settings in the top right corner. That's it. This is your quick walkthrough of eSafeX dashboard. eSafeX, where every file moves safely, smoothly, and systematically organized.